Focus on yourself. People come and go, but if you don't control your mind, others will. Sometimes the things that hurt you the most help you see clearer. Loneliness is the price you pay when you start to evolve. Be proud that you made it through days you thought you'd never survive. Not everyone will like you, and that's just how life is. Stop oversharing. Most people don't care, and some may secretly wish for your failure. Be kind, but never let anyone take advantage of you. It's better to be hated for who you truly are than to be loved for something you're not. Don't go bankrupt trying to impress people who don't have anything. Stay away from those who make you feel alone. Sometimes, no company is better than bad company. Make peace with your past so it doesn't interfere with your present. Don't compare your life to others because you have no idea what their journey is. Never underestimate the power of ignorance. No one else is going to solve your problems, it's your responsibility. Sometimes you win, and sometimes you learn. If no one helps, do it yourself. Take your financial life seriously, because money can solve a lot of problems. Be protective of your time. Some people don't deserve it. What others think of you is none of your concern. You can't rewrite the past, but you can change your future by starting where you are. Being alone gives you the chance to reconnect with yourself. Sometimes you need to stop idealizing people and start seeing them for who they really are. Don't pretend to be someone you're not. Live life at your own pace. Life is too short to waste time on hate. Your toughest moments may turn out to be the best things that ever happened to you. Envy is just a waste of energy. You already have everything you need. If you don't ask, you won't receive. Treat others how you want to be treated. If you tell the truth, you won't need to remember anything. Life may not be fair, but it's still good. You won't achieve anything in life without taking risks. Don't trust words. Trust actions. Do yourself a favor and get wealthy. Life is easier with money. If you can survive your own thoughts, you can survive anything. If they don't appreciate you, they don't deserve you. Learn to heal without airing everything out to others. Don't expect anything from anyone. Everything will come to you when the time is right. Failure is a setback, not a permanent state. Avoid gossip. It's toxic for your mind. Attachments are the root of suffering. Time always reveals how much someone values you. Stress is temporary, but the lessons learned can last forever. If someone tries to bring you down, they're already beneath you. Money isn't everything, but it helps you solve many problems. No matter how successful or attractive you are, arrogance is never attractive. Humility is what matters. Never regret having a good heart. All good things will come back to you, often multiplied. Don't feel guilty for doing what's best for you. Choose your friends carefully. The quickest way to improve yourself is to be around better people. Be loyal or stay single. Keep it simple. Expect nothing, but appreciate everything. Be grateful for the small things in life, as they are often the most meaningful. To find peace, do your best and trust the process. The more you work, the luckier you'll get. Never take things personally. What others do and say is a reflection of their own reality. Be forgiving, understanding, but never a fool. When someone shows you who they are, believe them. Your self-respect should outweigh your emotions. Don't let success get to your head, and don't let failure define you. The best way to respect yourself is through discipline. If you give a lot, remember to recognize your limits because takers never have any. Don't waste time explaining yourself. People hear what they want to. Accept criticism, but never accept disrespect. Don't give up on what you truly want. It may be hard to wait, but it's even harder to regret. When angry, stay quiet. You can choose to watch things happen, make things happen, or wonder what happened. Stay strong, even when things fall apart. You're being judged no matter what, so just be who you are. You don't need to win every argument. Sometimes agreeing to disagree is enough. No regrets, just lessons. No worries, just acceptance. No expectations, just gratitude. Life is too short, so make the most of it. The calmer you are, the clearer your thinking becomes. The more you take an interest in others, the more interesting they'll find you. If you're not falling occasionally, you're just coasting. Hatred only poisons the hater. Let go of grudges as if they were toxins. We suffer more from our imaginations than from reality. People change, love hurts, friends leave, and things go wrong. But life moves forward. Learn to say no without offering explanations. Be kind, but don't waste time proving it. Don't share your plans. Only reveal them once they're accomplished. If you want trust, be honest. Only you care about your hopes and dreams. Only you can make them a reality. Forget what hurt you, but remember what it taught you. Mastering others is strength. Mastering yourself is true power. Even the nicest people have their limits. The direction you choose is more important than the speed at which you travel. Control your thoughts, or they will control you. Privacy is power. Don't overshare. Never make permanent decisions based on temporary emotions. To be the best, you must be able to endure the worst. As long as you're alive, no obstacle is insurmountable. You won't learn anything if you always think you're right. Stay patient. Good things come when you least expect them. Never regret a day in your life. Good days bring happiness, bad days bring experience, the worst bring lessons, and the best give memories. Life is a one-time offer. Use it wisely. Be yourself. People don't have to like you, and you don't have to care. Free yourself from society's expectations. Most don't have a clue what they're doing. First it hurts, then it strengthens you. Walk some paths alone. Goals are personal. The family you create matters more than the family you were born into. Life is short. Live it. Love is rare. Seize it. Anger is destructive. Release it. Fear is dreadful. Confront it. Memories are precious. Treasure them.